How to transfer Google account to another phone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer your Google account to another phone. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button for app hacks so you do not miss out on our future videos. So let us jump right into it. The simplest thing that you can do is head over to your web browser, and after you're on your web browser, tap on the top right corner of your icon, and after you tap on it, you should find your Google account. Tap on that, and after you tap on it, you should see manage your Google account on this device, and after you tap on it, you will find add account option. Tap on add account, and now all you need to do is sign in here. Now use your account that you had on your previous phone and simply type in your email or your phone number, tap on next and type in your password to log into your account. And it's that simple to transfer your Google account to another iPhone or phone. So yeah, that is how you do it guys, and that is basically it. Now you can use your Gmail instead of the Google Chrome, or you can use any of the other apps which require an account. So to simply add an account, and after you add the account, you are good to go. That is how you can transfer your Google account to another phone. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and